The title of this story is called My First Talent Show. Standing backstage, I could feel my heart thumping in my chest. "Just relax," my friend Jenny whispered. "You're ready for this." I nodded. Jenny was right. I'd been practicing my song for the school talent show for 6 weeks. Still, picturing an audience packed with kids, parents, and teachers made me want to run out the door. Too late for that, I thought, as Mr. Peterson announced my song. Jenny gave me a nudge, and suddenly I was on the stage. Standing in the spotlight, I grasped the microphone and belted out the lyrics. I heard my voice pour through the speakers and fill the room. "It's going well," I thought to myself. "Don't mess up." I looked out at the sea of faces. The auditorium was dark, but I could see hundreds of eyes staring back at me. The smell of candy bars and popcorn filled the room. I hope Jenny is saving some for me, I thought, as I started the chorus one last time. As I finished the song, the audience began to clap. "Yeah, Katie," one kid yelled. "You rock," screeched another. I took a bow and walked off stage with a smile plastered across my face. "How many days until next year's talent show?" I asked Jenny.